Hey, good morning everybody. My name's Mike. I'm one of the LaunchCode mentors. I want to talk to you real quick about how to do a pull request. A pull request is essentially you fork somebody's code, you make a copy of somebody's code, you make changes to that code that you think should be in the main branch, and then you tell that other person, you say, hey, I've got these changes, you should definitely put them in. That other person will review the changes and integrate it into their open source project or perhaps the project that you're working on at work. So the context of this all is that it's called CS50 connection. I'm hosting on Amazon S3, and so we've got all of your information as well as what pset and what type of programming language you're interested in. And the way you update this information is actually by creating a pull request on the GitHub repository. So let me switch over. Right here I'm on my test account. And so if I search for CS50 connection, here we go. All I have to do is say fork. And now I have my very own copy of CS50 connection that I can make changes to and push changes up to my repository. So let me check this out of GitHub. Okay, great. Now I've checked the entire repository out on my machine. Type in git status. You see that we have nothing to commit at the moment. Let's go ahead and add our own name into the directory. Now this is a JSON file. It's just like a CSV file. Stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Okay, we can go ahead and save that. So that adds our user into the list of users. Let's go ahead and add a picture for the user. And we can add any picture we like. And we'll go ahead and we'll save that image in the image directory of our app with all the rest of the images. Great. So now we can come back to our console and we can type in git status. Okay, great. We see that we modified one file and we added another file. Mm. Let me give this one more try. Okay, great. That pushed our changes up to our GitHub repository. Let's refresh the page and make sure everything came up. Excellent. It says it was updated 2 minutes ago. Let's double check. Okay, we can see we updated the rest folder and the image. Let's just take a look at the commit that we made just to make sure. So we added this image to the repository and we added this line. And this line's denoted with green and a plus sign showing that it was added to the code. Very good. Now let's go ahead and we're going to make a pull request to the main Git repository. So we're going to click on pull requests. Okay, it shows the two files that we've made, the two changes to the two changes that we made, and it's going to do a pull request from m-many-test1 back to the master branch, which is this repository right here. Great, our pull request was successful. I'm going to go ahead